The gorilla shows his might. Once upon a time, there was a big black gorilla who lived with his family members. Several groups of gorillas lived in the animal kingdom from time immemorial, and they behaved more or less like human beings. Gorillas lived in largely permanent family groups. The small ones lived with their parents during childhood and moved out when they became big gorillas. However, all of them lived as one unit. Their unity sometimes frightened other species of animals. Even the lion and the elephant did not want to cross swords with a gorilla. The big black gorilla grew up to be a hulk of a gorilla in a few years. Like all other gorillas, he was a strict vegetarian. He fed mainly on fruit, leaves, roots, and tree bark. He did not pose a threat to any living being in the animal kingdom. The gorilla's behavior and food habits did not please some animals who thought they were born to rule. For instance, the lion laughed at the gorilla for not eating the flesh of animals. "What a delicious thing to eat," one day the lion suggested to the gorilla. "What you think is delicious will not be delicious to me," the gorilla snapped back. The lion did not want to argue with the gorilla, for the latter was very popular in the animal kingdom. On another day, the gorilla met the elephant, who was also trying to be the king of animals. "I want your support. I'm going to contest for the kingship. The lion is getting old, and he is very unpopular in our kingdom," said the elephant. "I do not want to support anybody and lose my freedom. I'm strong enough to fend for myself. Why do you want to have a king at all?" "I don't understand. We are all children of Mother Nature," said the gorilla, quite philosophically. "But you have to support me. We are pure vegetarians. We must rule the animal kingdom," the elephant demanded. "Please leave me alone. If you want to rule other animals, you are free to do so. But you will never rule me, because I'm stronger than you," said the gorilla. "What?" said the elephant. "I said I'm stronger than you," said the gorilla. The enraged elephant raised its trunk. The gorilla broke down a huge branch of a tree and gave the elephant a heavy blow with it. The elephant ran away, screaming in pain. The gorilla threw away the branch and walked home as if nothing important had happened on that day. Moral: strength isn't about ruling others. It's about unity, courage, and staying true to yourself. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.